In this video, we're making eggplant balls. First up, the meatballs. Into a large bowl, 2 cups ground beef, 1 cup ground pork, 3 large eggs, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 to 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, and parsley. Then, grab 6 slices of white bread. Remove the crust, run 2 slices at a time under hot running water, break it up into small pieces, and add it to the mixture. Give that a quick mix. Scoop out 1/3 of a cup and roll it into a ball. Repeat the process for the remaining meatballs. You should get about 10 to 12. Into a frying pan, 1/4 inch of olive oil. In goes your meatballs. Cook over medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes on the first side and 5 to 6 on the second. Drain the excess oil on paper towels, reserving 1/2 cup of the frying oil for a later step. With the meatballs done, we move on to the gravy. Season 6 links of sweet Italian sausage and 4 to 6 thinly cut boneless pork chops on both sides with salt and pepper. Into a frying pan over medium heat, a little bit of oil. Then add the sausage. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the pork chops and cook those for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Cover and keep warm. Into a large pot, 3 large cans of crushed tomatoes, 1 cooked yellow onion, Italian herb seasoning, 1.5 cups of water, and the 1/2 cup of frying oil from cooking meatballs. Season with salt and pepper. Bring up to a boil. Reduce to low, cover, and simmer for 1 hour. In goes 2 small cans of tomato paste and the sausage and pork. Simmer for another hour and a half. With about 15 minutes left, add in the meatballs and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. With the meat sauce complete, we move on to the eggplant balls. Into a frying pan, a little bit of oil. Then add 1 eggplant. Season with salt and pepper. Cook over medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes, or until tender. Drain any remaining liquid through a strainer. Into a large bowl, 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of seasoned breadcrumbs. In goes the eggplant, 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 cup mozzarella cheese, and 2 eggs. Mix until well combined. Scoop out a portion of the mixture. Roll it into a ball-shaped size with your hands. Dredge it in flour. Dip into an egg slurry. Coat all over in seasoned breadcrumbs, pressing to adhere. Once again, egg slurry, and then back into the breadcrumbs. Place into the refrigerator to chill for 15 to 20 minutes. Into a deep fryer they go for 5 to 6 minutes or until nicely golden brown and crispy. Onto a serving plate goes the eggplant. Serve with a side of gravy for dipping. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. And there we have it, eggplant balls.